In this video, we will be covering transaction history. Select Transaction History on the sidebar. On this new screen, it is defaulted to show both the shipping and mailing transactions. To change the view, click on either All, Shipping, or Mailing button on the top left side of this page. You can also use the preset filters In Progress, Delivered, Canceled, Adjusted, or All, which is on by default. On the top right, there are options for additional filters and the date range. All transactions will have a selectable box on the left, which will allow you to use the bottom options. This includes Adjust, Download, and Print. Adjust will allow you to make changes to the transactions. Download will allow you to create a file of the transactions for self-use. Print will do the same as download, but print the file instead.